17 winter weather alert.
Well, we're expecting more snow by this afternoon and evening, especially along the lakeshore to areas to the north. 6 degrees currently, not as bad as when we started out. I mean, we did start out well below zero. In fact, setting another record in Grand Rapids. Yesterday, our record was 12 below. Today's morning low at 10 below was about 340 this morning. Kalamazoo was also much colder. Coldwater reached 10 below yesterday and it was 11 below this morning. And we're at least above that. It's 6 degrees right now. When you consider how much we've warmed up, we've already gone up 20 degrees. That's pretty good. And we're still going to warm up. And as we see this south and southeast breeze, that's what's going to be the catalyst for it. But this is racing toward us. And as this system gets closer, it's going to interact with some moisture from the lake. Already starting to see as we have that southeast breeze. That's why we have this kind of lake effect or a little bit of area of snowfall in the middle of the lake. This is going to interact with this system off to the northwest, and it's finally going to move onshore. And there are going to be some very heavy bands of snow embedded in it. Winter storm warning, winter weather advisory does not include Grand Rapids, Kalamazoo, Battle Creek. Doesn't mean it's not going to snow there, but we're going to see several inches of snow. Muskegon among areas affected. Here's a timeline. We're looking around noon, 1 o'clock, still no snow. And we're going to stay that way, but our temps are at least in the double digits above freezing. And then we've got some of that snow. As I mentioned, once this system works its way a little bit closer, it's going to interact with that and bring some snow onshore. Now notice Future Track still has the snow off. I don't think that's entirely the case. I think we're going to see a little bit more snow here from Muskegon along 31 to the north. That's where we'll start the snow. So at least getting us through the timeline by noon, we're still dry. We're about 9 degrees. We're at 12 by 4 o'clock, 16 degrees by this evening. We're actually going to warm up and then kind of stay there. So do expect that as the snow develops and that southeast breeze. We're going to expect a few snow showers by this evening, but I expect the line of heavier snowfall by about 10, 11 o'clock. And we're going to be tracking that for you tonight. Watch these darker shades move in by about 1 o'clock in the morning. This is when we're going to pick up some of the heavier snows. Also, it's not zero, it's not 10 below. Temps flatlining tonight, really not changing, but this is when we're going to see more of that widespread snow. Heaviest snow still off to the north and west on Interstate 96 and off to the north and west Muskegon, Hart, and Petwater. But we'll still look at snowfall by 6, 7, and 8 o'clock in the morning. That's going to have an impact on your commute. And we get kind of a break, and then we have another system clip us from the south, and that picks up our lake effect again into Saturday. So there's more snow on the way as we drop down to 13 degrees tonight, and we're going to be talking about snow showers off and on. So that winter storm warning off to the northwest. We are going to see between 6 and 8 inches of snow in that location, and I think there are going to be some pockets of about 10 inches of snow. 3 to 5 inches, Grand Rapids included, maybe about 4, but the further south and east you go in Kent County, you're looking at 1 to 3 inches or even less. And there's more, a little bit more of a dusting Friday night into Saturday with continued lake effect and more frigid air as we return to below zero by Sunday morning, Monday morning, ringing in the new year with more snow and high temps in the teens.